Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. February 22, 2025, Saturday Racing. Starting time, umpisa ng karera, alas 3 ng hapon. Merong tayong 7 races, all 7 races to be run in 1,400 meter distance. Bago po ang ating mga cool choices, commemoration, paggunita sa makasaysayang EDSA People Power Revolution noong 1986 na from February 22 to February 25. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali, nagpupista ito ng February 21 ng maghating gabi. God bless to all. Pistahan po natin ang ating mga cool choices. Race number 1, first and only choice, number 7, Binalot AU. Race 2, first choice, number 3, Heaven and Earth. Second choice, number 2, Calle Loreto. Third choice, number 6, Angel's Crown. Dumako tayo sa race number 3, first choice, number 5, Kabayo ni Sir JC, palaging palaban, Shepcat. Second choice, number 6, Celebrity. Race 4, first choice, number 7, Make or Break. Second choice, number 6, magdadala ng bandera, baka hindi abutan, Success of Times. Race number 5, first choice, number 8, Charm Campaign. Second choice, number 1, Big Battle. Third choice, number 4, Dakota Elegance. Race 6, penultimate race, race na may pentapekta. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 9, Golden Opportunity. Ito po ay sumigundo last time out, Diado. At ito po yung first choice natin noon. At ang nanalo yung second choice natin na si Doña Chichay. Muli, first choice, number 9, Golden Opportunity. Second choice, number 6, High Society. Third choice, number 5, Boss Lady. Race 7, race na may Super 6. First choice, number 5, Batang Kankalu. Second choice, number 10, Antonio de la Mugis. Third choice, number 3, Beautiful Day. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!